Welcome to Level Up Your Cooking with Ra. This channel is all about leveling up your cooking. Let's get into it with the recipe. I will have the exact measurements of the following ingredients in the description box below. Let's get into it. On a medium-high heat, I'm going to start off by adding some extra virgin olive oil into the pan there. And then I'm going to add in my ground beef along with my ground chorizo. Now, you want to make sure, if not in the beginning, to thoroughly chop up your meat. Make sure to get a really good chop in there throughout the entire cooking process. As you can see, this is a very vibrant and colorful recipe. You want to make sure that you get a nice colorful palette of bell peppers up in there, okay? I'm adding in my seasonings, which I've tailored specifically for this recipe. I'm adding in my minced garlic, and I'm going to give that a nice toss. I'm adding in 1/4 of a cup of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, now you can definitely add more if you want. And then I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons and a half of some all-purpose flour. Now, this is where you want to eyeball your beef broth. Okay, so I've added that in. Now, depending on how creamy you would like your sauce to be, I would definitely suggest that you add in more beef broth. I'm going to add just a little bit more beef broth. Okay, I'm going to stir that in. All right, I'm also going to be adding in my Italian seasoning. Scallions as well. Stir that all in. Now, I did not have the opportunity to add in any tomato paste because I did not have any. So, and as you see, we really didn't need any. I could have added in some ketchup, but nah. It's all right. I figured if I didn't have it, then just don't add it in. Time to add in the pasta. Okay. And I'm going to eyeball my pasta as well, because I don't want to add too much. Okay. Nice and easy. Okay. And you really want to use some tongues for this. Tongues with the silicone, so that you can really fold that pasta in. Yeah, I definitely think this is enough pasta. This is way more than enough pasta. I am going to add just a little bit of the pasta water. And it's just to make sure that, you know, your spaghetti doesn't get dried. Who wants dry, dirty spaghetti? I know I don't. I would definitely say that this recipe would be absolutely perfect for someone who does not like tomato sauce in their spaghetti. Now, the question is, will I be making this again? I guess I'm just not sure. It was viral, so I just had to make it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment. I love those. If you are new here, welcome. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Listen, if you are not subscribed by now, what are you doing? Hello? Especially If you enjoy watching content like this,